Welcome back. We're here in the studio with Colleen Holland from the 30th Annual Diamond Gem City Days. We talked a little bit about the events. So just a quick recap. What exactly is Gem City Days and what's going on down there?
City celebration. This is our 30th year, and it's really just all about bringing the community together and friendship, fun, food, camaraderie, renewing old friendships and making new ones.
And most importantly, just about everything down there is free.
Yes. We worked really hard to make this a free event. All the entertainment, music, games, and rides for the kids, all free. That leaves you free to spend your money shopping with our 70-plus vendors this year.
That is a large number of vendors. So
yes.
We talked earlier about Diamond, most known for the George Washington Carver Monument, but you've learned that people are learning about Gem City Days,
right.
And you've had some pretty good attendance. You don't have an exact count, but you're looking at maybe 1,000 people.
Yes, that's what we think, ballpark, yes.
What is that like for you to have so many people come to Diamond to take part in Gem City Days?
I think it's really good for the whole town. People are stopping at the gas station and seeing what our town's about, maybe even interesting them in looking closer at living in our community. But I just think it's good for the town as a whole. We have a great partnership with the school, and we do this at the school, and it shows off those facilities. It's just a great opportunity.
And you kind of touched on this, but just how important is Gem City Days for Diamond as a community?
I think that people are looking forward to it. We are being able to bring some things in, like a couple of the things that we have this year are newer businesses that are coming to the community. People are wanting to advertise and be sponsors of our event because they see that we are impacting the community in a positive way.
And you mentioned, too, that you are at Diamond High School for
yes.
the event. You used to be at the park, but you outgrew that.
Rapidly.
So, how long ago did you start having to move to the high school?
This is our 3rd year at the high school.
What's that like for you, too, to see the event grow like that from the participation standpoint, as you mentioned, vendors and things like that you had to move to a larger venue?
It's exciting, and it makes us feel like we're doing a good job, that we're bringing something that people are interested in doing. We feel like we're on the right path. People are attending, so we're growing, and so that's putting us in a different location, and I think it's just good all the way around.
And you mentioned, too, you've already had people reaching out to you about
yes.
next year's event.
Mm-hmm. People are already wanting to sponsor. I've had some vendors that I've had to say, no, we'll check back with us next year on that, because we've just grown so much.
And speaking of how much you're growing, what happens if some way, somehow, you outgrow Diamond High School?
Well, I don't know. That hopefully is a long ways down the road, because the school, too, has grown, and we just keep taking over parking lots.
So you've got some extra space to grow for right now.
We have some plans. Yes, absolutely.
And with it growing over the years, you mentioned some of the things that are going on. You've got live music, some rides for the games and kids. What are some of the other things going on? What do some of the vendors have to offer?
We have vendors that are selling everything from crafts, where they make wreaths and stuff. We have a Tupperware vendor on site, Scentsy vendors. The fire department's there. The Baptist church is there selling, I believe they're having popcorn. We have popcorn vendors. We have the Pie You Can't Deny from Big R's Pie is going to be there. Our booth, the host booth, we do silent auction baskets, and we'll have probably close to 50 or 60 baskets. And those funds generated just go back into the event for the next year. We're also selling this really cool shirt.
Yeah, that is a very cool
we'll
shirt.
have shirts on sale as well. We also have a gun raffle going. We'll be selling tickets to that, giving it away on site that night. So, but our vendors, the variety of things that we have, people that do the custom cups. We have a couple boutiques coming where you shop in their busts and different things. So face painting, the balloon lady will be there, just a ton of stuff.
It sounds like, as you mentioned, fun for the whole family.
Absolutely. All ages, bring the lawn chair, stay all day. There's all kinds of food on site. Our sponsors, I can't talk enough about how good the sponsors are to us, allowing us to bring this to the community for free. We have to pay for all the services like the petting zoo and the balloon lady and those things. And this great group of sponsors that we have makes that happen for free. So people can come and, bring a big family if they need to, and still have the money to buy food on site and enjoy and shop, because everything they're doing there is free. Listening to the music is free.
And for more information, where can people go?
We have a Facebook page, Diamond Gem City Days. We also have a Google page that's listed as Diamond Gem City Days. And then my phone number is 417-825-7783. can contact me about any of it.
All right, Colleen, thanks so much for sticking with us through the morning show. And of course, we'll have all of this information on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be right back after this.